There weren't schools like this when I was a kid. The opportunities by this university is unbelievable.
UNOH is a place where not only can you find your passion, you can find people who are passionate with you.
UNOH opened a door that I've been trying to figure out how to open for a very long time. They completely busted it down for me.
If you want to reach for your dreams, you got to go for it. And UNOH is where you can get it.
If you want to pursue a career in the high-performance motorsports industry, then the University of Northwestern Ohio is where your future begins. The level of professionalism required by race teams, performance machine shops, and sanctioning bodies like NASCAR and ARCA is at an all-time high. Our university's reputation for producing highly educated graduates means your degree from UNOH will give you a distinct advantage in a competitive workplace. We're serious about racing and dedicated to your success. It all begins with professional training on the same equipment being used in the best facilities in America.
They have actually 2 cells of engine dynos and then 2 chassis dynos. You actually get in there and you actually learn.
We were the first high-performance motorsports program in the country. And in 2006, we took motorsports education to a new level. Our 7-acre Dr. Jeffrey A. Jarvis high-performance motorsports complex is the only one of its kind in the world. Inside, you'll find cutting-edge technology and equipment. It's the largest facility in the country dedicated to learning the science of high-performance vehicles.
Walking in one of these shops looks like walking into one of our race shops. It's pretty cool to see that, and I think it's a great starting point, before getting into the drag racing world or going into NASCAR, wherever they end up. I think this is a great start.
Outside, we have a test facility unlike any other, anywhere. This includes a drag strip-style launch pad, a skid pad to test lateral G-forces, and an off-road course to test your 4x4's mettle. Each of our instructors brings real-world experience to the classroom from years in the field. Plus, they share the same passion for racing as our students.
I was having problems with a wiring diagram. I couldn't find the solution, and he would give me subtle hints, but not the answer, and try to push me to try to find it. And I actually really loved that because it really made me think instead of just spoon-feeding me the answers, and really made me learn.
You'll have many opportunities to get involved in racing at UNOH. Students can try out for the collegiate motorsports teams, which include stock, modified, and drag teams. On these teams, the students build, drive, and crew the cars they race in. It all takes place in our 14,000 square foot S&S Volvo Motorsports Race Complex. This facility boasts a NASCAR shop-like atmosphere with work bays, welders, equipment rooms, and showrooms. Students can also join the race club. UNOH sends more than 40 members of the club to Florida during Speed Weeks in February. These students work as pit crew members at Daytona International Speedway during the ARCA race. The University of Northwestern Ohio will teach you everything you need to know to be successful in the world of motorsports.
It's extremely important to have Max D hit the track 100% prepared for the next event. That takes quality technicians in order to get the job done correctly. UNOH provides great technicians that Monster Jam needs, craves, wants, and get out there and get the job done, get Max D running in tip-top shape.
Whether it's NASCAR, NHRA, any type of motorsports, they are truly ready to go.
Our high-performance program gives you extensive training in welding and fabrication, engine machining, custom engine building, steering and suspension, drive lines, accessory trends, fuels, electronics, and ignitions. This will give you the knowledge you need to be a leader in any high-performance motorsports career.
They give you the fundamentals, learning how to fabricate, learning how to weld, learning suspension components. So UNOH is it sets you up perfectly for a good career path.
Our training vehicles and state-of-the-art equipment will give you all the hands-on experience you need to give you an advantage when entering into the workforce. Thousands of our graduates are successfully employed in the field today, living their dreams.
We've got guys in the top echelon of all major motorsports that are out there. NHRA top fuel cars, we've got guys in NASCAR, anywhere from the ARCA cars all the way up to the Cup teams, IndyCar, dirt racing, you name it. We've got UNOH graduates and alumni all over the place.
Any area of motorsports that you could want to be in, UNOH has a contact, has somebody, an instructor, somebody who's been there already and can help you and are willing to help you get into wherever you want to go.
Graduates credit their personal and career success to the education they received at UNOH.
I went from the drag racing, where I had to learn in one weekend how to do that job. Same with the IndyCar, and now moving into the Monster Jam stuff. You know, when you have the basic knowledge that UNOH gave me, it was easy.
It's a dream come true. It's something I've worked towards since I was 5 years old, and then realizing that childhood dream and what UNOH has been able to give me to accomplish that dream, it's the best thing in the world, honestly.
Join the thousands of graduates who have a successful career with a high-performance motorsports degree from the University of Northwestern Ohio.